5 days. 5 cloudy yet humid days, each one an opportunity. Dusk turned into twilight. The chill seeping in, but the thought of that elusive phantom kept me going. A whisper in the twilight, a ghost in the late light. Most would have given up, most would have settled, but not me. Not when perfection was just around the corner. I could feel it in my gut. Plus I've been watching it. I knew its next move by now. Then, on the 5th day, as the light softened to dusk, it appeared. Finally, the silent hunter. A winged masterpiece. Every flicker of light, every feather, every movement etched in time. 5 days of patience, 5 days of tracking, culminating in a single perfect moment. Finally, a moment I'll never forget.